Hi friends, welcome to All About Tech, and today in this video I am going to tell you about this soundbar, which is Jbl 2.1 soundbar. I have purchased this soundbar for 21,500 rupees, and for that price, let's see it is worth for that price or not. So without wasting your time, let's start. Now I'm going to show you that what you will get with this soundbar. Sorry I was unable to record unboxing of this soundbar. So these are the wires. Yes, these are the wires which you will get with the soundbar. One you have to attach with the soundbar and another you have to attach with the woofer. Yes, I'm going to show you woofer also. And these are the manuals. This is wireless soundbar. And also you will get these straps to hang the soundbar to the wall, and these are the wires for the power supply. Now I'm going to show you the woofer. So this is the woofer. It is really big and it has Jbl branding on the front, and now I'm going to show you back side. So this is the back side of this woofer. In the box there is remote also, and you can increase or decrease the bass, and Bluetooth is also there. Also there is surround option which boosts the sound actually, but bass becomes a little bit low. And now I'm going to show you modes. So the maximum bass you can increase is up to 20. Volume goes really high. I think that it goes up to 45. Now let's play some songs. I have kept subwoofer here, and I am going to connect this soundbar with Bluetooth with my iPad 3. So let's connect. I will switch on the Bluetooth, and as you can see it is showing Jbl bar 2.1. Okay, I will zoom in first so we can see it clearly. Yes, so it is showing Jbl bar 2.1 and it is connecting now. I will zoom out now. On the soundbar it is showing pairing and it's connected. Okay, now we are ready to play some songs. So let's play.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Now let's see that what are the changes when we switch on the surround mode. Let's see. Now, let's come to a conclusion that if you should buy this soundbar or not. For 21,500 rupees, the sound quality is really good, bass is good, bass goes up to 20 and you can control the bass, which is good thing. Again, it is wireless, which is again a good thing, and there are many options available, which includes HDMI, ARC, audio return channel option is also there, Bluetooth option is there, then aux option is there, optical cable option is there, and optical cable and aux cable are provided in the box. I think that you should buy this soundbar because it is really good soundbar for the price, and when you switch on the surround mode, the amplification of the sound is really good. It feels that you are sitting in a theater, and I will give link in the description so you can buy this soundbar. So this much only in this video. Hope you guys have liked this video. Please hit the like button and comment and tell me that how was this video, and don't forget to subscribe to All About Tech. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.